Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the markers instant adding mode on the Map Marker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section, tap to the first option, the settings. Scroll down, and in the action section, in the first option, the marker instant adding mode, and just tap to the square icon. And new this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.